You're so handsome.
Oh, gusto ko din sana. I like your hair, your earrings.
Do you like this? I'm having cold right now.
Hi, I'm Vivek. In this video, I'm gonna pretend like I'm sick.
Wait, I'm gonna sneeze.
But wait, what they don't know is this sneeze gonna change everything.
It's coming.
Achoo. Uy, wala pa ako.
Zlan Nepal देखिन्छ
God damn you. Todo dami nagdala. Hi,
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from northeast part of India. I like your hair, your
Here.
earrings.
Do you like this?
Yes. You look good.
Thank you. I'm little bit of sick, so I have cold, so I'm sorry if it disturb you. Yeah.
Okay. Get well soon. Drink more water.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Okay, I'm sorry. I think I'm going to sneeze.
That's okay.
Okay. But it's
When I
not coming.
can't
Like,
sneeze, you know,
yeah,
I used to do with the toothpick.
yeah, I don't have it right now. It's coming.
That's great. Oh my gosh.
I got shredded by this sneeze.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness me. Wow.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh my goodness. You look so good. So good.
Thank you so much.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Oh. How, like, what is your age?
I'm
Yes?
sweet 16.
चल झूठा
I don't think so. I think you're maybe like 26. You look like, you know, an anime character.
Which one?
I don't know which one, but there are some anime character, okay? Like you look
Like Tarzan?
you're more good than the Tarzan. I
you so
didn't
much.
expect that.
I am the vampire, you know. I have a vampire teeth. Okay, wanna see?
Yeah. Yes, you do look like a vampire. Strong vampire. You look so good. That hair of yours and that body of yours.
Very.
May
Thank
God
you.
like give you more strength. Like may you always be in this. May God bless you always, okay?
Thank you so much. May God
Be
bless
like
you
that.
too. Yeah.
Always.
Sure. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, Tarzan. Are you Tarzan? Real life Tarzan.
Yeah, how did you know?
Oh my god, I knew it. Tarzan.
I'm a little bit sick today. I have some cold, so I'm sorry for that. Where are you guys from?
You're from paradise. Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were from heaven. I think I'm good. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. Wait a second. My bad.
Just like back. Daddy. Bad. इसका वो है ऐसा हम भी करेंगे ऐसा हम भी तो ऐसा किया ऐसा निकल गया
हम भी करेंगे,
और
हम भी
लाइट
करेंगे।
चेंज किया गुड
Now I look like a Tarzan.
Yes. Tarzan from Nepal.
Yeah.
Oh, like mugging, right?
Oh. Yeah. I think I'm gonna sneeze.
Yo, bro. Yo, shit. Crazy, bro. Oh my god. Yeah. Yo.
I think that sneeze make me shredded.
Oh! Oh, gusto cool देख रहा था. Oh, you look very cool.
Thank you. Where are you from?
We are from India. Where are you from?
I'm also from India.
Yes. Oh, देखा नेपाली नेपाली देख्छ.
Slang Nepal देख्छ जरा.
अम्मो क्या दामी हो तपाईँ दामी देख्दै रहेछ
तर नेपाली मलाई फर्स्टमै लाग्दै थियो नेपाली नेपाली हो भनेर.
कहाँको हुनुहुन्छ तपाईँ
म पोखराको. हजुरहरु
पोखरामा पकोडा खान आउँछु.
नलुक्नु न हो किन
सेटिङ त दामी छ त हजुर
नलुक्नु न भने.
Do you know how to sing?
No, I'm not a singer. No, I don't know.
What's your hidden talent?
What's your talent?
I'm talentless.
How old are
You're
you?
so handsome and you don't have a talent? Unreal.
He know how to sing. And also, she know how to sing as well.
Can you sing for me?
Did you hear that?
What's that?
So what's your sport? What's your
Sorry.
sports, my friend?
I'm having.
Yes,
Oh,
it's
it's
okay, it's
okay.
okay.
You don't have to say sorry.
What's your sports? What's your sports?
Wait, I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh.
No. Can you do this?
What?
Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy.
Hi.
ayah
Ayah.
ayah
Ayah. I'm sick right now, so sorry for that. Same. Yeah. Same pins. Yeah. I'm going to sneeze. But it's not coming. It's about to come, but it's
Use
not
cotton
coming.
bud.
Yeah.
Use cotton bud.
I don't have it. Yeah. I think I'm gonna come. Okay. I think. Yes, I'm coming.
shit.
Damn.
What the fuck, bro?
So clean. Hot.
Thank you. Thank you.